Want to make money online fast? Discover the top digital products that can be sold online quickly and easily. In this video, we'll reveal the most in-demand digital products that can generate passive income and help you achieve financial freedom. From ebooks and courses to software and more, learn how to create and sell digital products that people want to buy. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced online seller, this video will show you the fastest way to get started and start making sales online. Join me as I take on the challenge of finding the hottest digital products to sell online fast and see if I can turn a profit in just 1 week. Digital products refer to items that are sold and delivered electronically, without the need for physical manufacturing or shipping. These products can range from software and ebooks to online courses, digital art, and even virtual goods in video games. Over the years, the online marketplace for digital products has experienced significant growth, driven by the increasing use of the internet and advancements in technology. One of the primary reasons for the growing popularity of digital products is their convenience. Consumers can purchase and download them instantly from anywhere in the world, making them accessible at any time. Sellers also benefit from lower overhead costs since there is no need for physical inventory, packaging, or shipping logistics. The rise of e-commerce platforms, digital content creators, and the expansion of digital services have further fueled this trend. Businesses of all sizes can now create and distribute digital products easily, reaching a global audience. Additionally, with the increased use of mobile devices, cloud storage, and high-speed internet, customers are more inclined to choose digital products for their flexibility and instant access. As a result, digital products have become a major part of the online economy, appealing to a diverse range of consumers and creators. From entertainment and education to productivity tools and design assets, digital products continue to redefine how we interact with the digital world. There are many types of digital products that can be sold online, each catering to different audiences and needs. The flexibility of digital products allows creators to tap into various niches and offer value without the need for physical inventory or shipping. Here are some popular types of digital products with examples for each. Ebooks are one of the most common types of digital products. They are easy to create and distribute, making them accessible for authors, educators, and experts in different fields. Ebooks can cover a wide range of topics, from fiction to self-help, business, and technology. Examples: a self-help guide on mindfulness and stress management, a novel in the romance or science fiction genre, a cookbook with easy-to-follow recipes for busy professionals. Online courses have grown significantly in popularity, as more people turn to the internet for learning new skills. These can range from highly specialized professional courses to broader subjects, such as health and wellness, marketing, or personal development. With the rise of platforms like Teachable and Udemy, selling courses has become easier than ever. Examples: a course on web development for beginners, a photography masterclass for aspiring photographers, a fitness program for weight loss or muscle gain, with video tutorials and meal plans. Printables are downloadable documents or designs that customers can print out at home or at a print shop. These products often cater to people looking for organization tools, planners, or creative activities. Printables can be a quick and profitable product to create, with relatively low overhead. Examples: a daily or weekly planner to help organize schedules and tasks, budgeting spreadsheets or finance trackers for managing personal finances, customizable party invitations, greeting cards, or art prints for home decor. Digital art includes artwork that is created digitally and sold as downloadable files, such as illustrations, digital paintings, and graphic designs. This can be a great option for artists looking to reach a global audience without the limitations of physical mediums. Examples: custom digital portraits, where customers send in a photo for an artist to recreate in a unique style. Printable wall art featuring motivational quotes or modern designs. Vector illustrations for use in marketing materials, logos, and websites. Software and mobile apps are other popular digital products, offering functionality or entertainment. These products can solve specific problems or add value to users' lives. Developing software, however, may require technical skills or collaboration with developers. Examples: a time management app that helps users optimize their daily routines, a budget tracking tool for small businesses, a design tool or photo editing app that simplifies graphic creation. Selling digital music or audio files is an excellent option for musicians, sound designers, and podcasters. These digital products can range from full albums to sound effects, royalty-free music, or spoken word content. Examples: a royalty-free music track for use in videos or advertisements. An audiobook for an author who wants to reach listeners. A sound effect pack for video game developers or filmmakers. Website themes and templates cater to bloggers, businesses, and individuals looking to create a unique online presence without hiring a web developer. These digital products often appeal to a wide market, as many people seek easy-to-use website solutions. Examples: a WordPress theme for creating a professional portfolio. A Shopify theme for online stores in the fashion or beauty industry. A customizable email template for marketing campaigns. Stock photos and videos are in high demand, as content creators, marketers, and businesses are constantly looking for media to enhance their digital presence. These products can be sold on marketplaces or directly through personal websites. Examples: a collection of high-quality nature photos for websites or blogs. A video library of stock footage showcasing business meetings, office settings, or travel destinations. Customizable product photography for e-commerce businesses. Each of these digital products can be a profitable venture, depending on the creator's skills, market knowledge, and ability to target the right audience. The key to success is identifying a demand, creating high-quality offerings, and implementing effective marketing strategies to reach potential buyers. Custom fonts and typography designs are in demand by designers, marketers, and businesses who need unique text styles for their projects. Creating and selling fonts can be a lucrative business, especially for those with a passion for typography and design. Examples: a handwritten style font for use in invitations and greeting cards. A set of modern, minimalist fonts for professional branding. A collection of decorative fonts for use in marketing materials. Digital planners and journals offer the same organizational benefits as physical planners but are designed for digital devices like tablets or smartphones. These products can appeal to customers who prefer to organize their schedules and thoughts electronically. Examples: a digital planner for iPad users with hyperlinked sections for daily, weekly, and monthly planning. A gratitude journal app to track positive thoughts and reflections. A habit tracker for achieving personal goals and maintaining routines. 3D models are used by game developers, animators, architects, and product designers. These assets can be sold on marketplaces like TurboSquid or CG Trader, offering a diverse range of applications from entertainment to industrial design. Examples: 3D models of furniture for interior design projects. Character models for video game development. 3D assets for use in virtual and augmented reality experiences. While print-on-demand products typically involve physical goods, the designs used to create these products can be sold as digital files. This allows designers to create unique artwork for various items like t-shirts, mugs, and posters without having to deal with inventory. Examples: graphic designs for apparel, like t-shirts, hoodies, or hats. Motivational quotes or pop culture-inspired designs for mugs or phone cases. Artwork for posters and canvas prints. Email marketing remains a powerful tool for businesses, and creating email templates can be a valuable product for marketers and entrepreneurs. Customizable email templates make it easier for businesses to create visually appealing newsletters or promotional emails. Examples: a series of email templates for launching a new product. Promotional email templates for seasonal sales or special events. Newsletter templates with pre-designed sections for news, updates, and calls to action. Video tutorials are highly effective for teaching a skill or providing instructions on how to use a product or service. These digital products are especially popular in fields like technology, cooking, and DIY projects. Examples: a video series teaching how to code in a specific programming language. A step-by-step guide on creating handmade crafts or DIY home projects. A cooking tutorial for making easy, healthy meals on a budget. Social media is essential for personal branding and business promotion, and many people are willing to pay for well-designed social media templates that save time. These can include templates for Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and more. Examples: Instagram story templates for influencers and bloggers. Facebook ad templates that can be easily customized for various campaigns. Pinterest pin templates designed for maximum engagement. Artistic prints, digital collages, and graphic designs are popular products for those looking to add a creative touch to their home or workspace. These products often appeal to individuals who enjoy decorating their environments with unique, original art. Examples: digital art prints of abstract paintings. Collages or mixed media artwork for wall decor. Illustrated designs of famous landmarks or cityscapes. For video game enthusiasts, digital products like mods, skins, and other game assets have a substantial market. Developers and creators often sell or share these assets to enhance gameplay or personalize gaming experiences. Examples: custom skins for popular games like Minecraft or Fortnite. Game mods that alter gameplay mechanics or add new content. 2D and 3D character assets for use in indie game development. Digital products don't always have to be tangible items. Coaching and consulting services can be packaged as digital products, such as video sessions, downloadable resources, or virtual workshops. Examples: a personal development coaching program offered via video lessons and worksheets. A business strategy consultation, with video calls and downloadable guides. A health and wellness coaching program with exercise routines and meal plans. Creating a membership site or subscription-based service allows creators to offer ongoing value to subscribers in the form of exclusive content, community access, or regular updates. This model can generate recurring revenue. Examples: a subscription service providing new digital artwork or design resources every month. A membership site offering exclusive access to in-depth marketing strategies and tools. A fitness subscription platform with new workout videos and nutrition plans each month. These digital products provide endless opportunities for entrepreneurs to tap into various markets. Whether you're a content creator, designer, educator, or developer, there are numerous niches where you can create valuable products that cater to specific audiences, ensuring a steady stream of income in the ever-growing online marketplace. Finding profitable digital products to sell online quickly can be a daunting task for many aspiring entrepreneurs. One of the primary challenges is identifying a niche with sufficient demand but relatively low competition. While some industries may appear lucrative, they can be saturated with numerous sellers offering similar products. This makes it difficult for newcomers to stand out and attract customers. Another challenge is understanding consumer preferences and trends. The digital product market is constantly evolving, with new trends emerging rapidly. Predicting what will resonate with customers at the right time is a skill that requires a deep understanding of market dynamics and consumer behavior. If a product is ahead of its time or too niche, it may not generate the anticipated sales. Creating high-quality digital products that provide real value is also a significant challenge. Even though digital products don't require physical materials, they still need to meet certain standards to be considered useful and worth purchasing. Developing a product with the right features, functionality, and user experience can be resource-intensive, especially for those new to product creation or without technical expertise. Pricing is another obstacle. Setting the right price point for digital products can be tricky. Price too high, and you risk deterring potential buyers. Price too low, and you may devalue your offering or fail to cover costs. It requires careful research to understand the competitive landscape and align pricing with the perceived value of the product. Lastly, effectively marketing and promoting digital products is crucial for success. Even with a great product, it's difficult to succeed without a strong marketing strategy. Digital marketing tactics such as SEO, paid ads, and social media engagement are necessary to drive traffic and convert visitors into buyers. However, these strategies require time, expertise, and often a financial investment, making it challenging for newcomers to quickly gain traction. All these challenges combine to make finding profitable digital products to sell online a process that involves careful research, development, and strategic execution. While success is achievable, it requires persistence and a willingness to adapt to the ever-changing digital marketplace.